our last song for you today. We want to wish you a Merry Christmas. And then after we're done, we're gonna pray. And then the children have gifts for their parents, so we'll dismiss them to your tables. And then if you can help them go get a cookie that they've been waiting for. You guys are doing great. You worked so hard for those cookies, didn't you? So it's almost time.
Ready?
Okay.
Here we go.
Take a bow. What did you do? I missed that part.
As you can see, we're really proud of our preschoolers and they do a great job. They're just 4 years old, right? Right? Thank you again for sharing your children with us on a daily basis, weekly basis. Just a couple reminders before we let you go. We have Wednesday as our Polar Express Day, where the children are invited to wear their pajamas to school. And we're going to read Polar Express. And we also will have our booked gift exchange. So if you want to bring a book that morning, the children will all share amongst themselves and everybody will go home with a wrapped book would be best, because then they'll get to unwrap it.
That's what I was going to ask.
And Pastor Meg, did you have anything you wanted to share real quick?
I just wanted to thank everybody for sharing your kids with us. What a precious gift. We really appreciate it. Pastor Eric and I do devotions on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, and the Bible